Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the canned beef stew and assessing thickness and salt. Remove some liquid if it tastes overly salty. You can reserve it. Heat a medium saucepan over medium-high heat and add 1 tablespoon oil to prevent sticking. Once the oil shimmers, add the canned contents in portions to avoid chilling the pan. Stir gently to break large clumps while maintaining chunk integrity. This keeps texture pleasant. Make sure to monitor heat so you don't scorch solids while bringing everything up to temperature. Once the stew is in the pan, you add 1 cup beef broth or water to loosen thick gravy and create room for flavor integration. Stir in 1 tsp Worcestershire sauce or 1/2 tsp soy sauce to boost umami. This balances canned salt and canned preserved flavors. Bring to a gentle simmer, then reduce heat to low and cook 8 to 12 minutes so collagen softens and spices infuse. Make sure to skim foam or excess fat with a spoon so the sauce stays clear and the mouthfeel remains smooth. You finish by tasting and adjusting seasoning. Salt, pepper, or a pinch of sugar will balance acidity from canned tomatoes. If it's thin, whisk 1 tsp cornstarch with 1 tablespoon cold water and stir in. Simmer 2-3 minutes until glossy. Serve hot with bread or rice. If it separates or tastes metallic, make sure to reheat gently and add a splash of broth and a teaspoon of acid like vinegar or lemon to brighten flavors. This corrects canned off notes and brings the dish back into balance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.